Luca Palermitano is an astronaut with an impressive array of accomplishments. Just one of his many achievements is operating the life support rack, a system designed to recycle oxygen out of carbon dioxide. He's also the first person to do a DJ set from space. You might be thinking, wait, how can we hear music or any sound coming from space? Since space has no air, we can't send sound to Earth just by playing it really loud. It needs a medium that it can vibrate through. So instead, we send sound through space using radio waves. Just like light, radio waves are on the electromagnetic spectrum and don't require air to travel. However, radio does require a transmitter, which sends a radio signal, and a receiver, which receives the signal. The transmitter on the International Space Station is powerful enough to send radio waves from space to a receiver on Earth. This is somewhat like how Wi-Fi allows you to connect your phone to the internet. We also use satellites to bounce radio signals around the Earth, so that there is constant communication between Earth and ISS. With all this technology in place allowing us to transmit sound from space, it's only natural that someone would want to use it to broadcast some tunes. And while Luca Palermitano is the first man to DJ from space, he's not the first person to play music there. On December 16, 1965, astronauts Wally Schirra and Thomas Stafford used some bells and a harmonica to perform jingle bells during the Gemini 6A mission. This was the first music broadcast from space. Since then, music has been a key element of many space missions, especially on the International Space Station, where it has often been a source of entertainment and camaraderie. From keyboards and guitars to flutes, violins, and even a didgeridoo, practically every type of instrument has been played in space. And thanks to technological advancements like radio, we're able to listen in on performances like Luca Palermitano's. His 12-minute set was a part of a DJ festival taking place on board the cruise ship Norwegian Pearl, moored off the coast of Ibiza. Broadcast directly to the ship from the ISS as the first DJ set played in space, Palermitano learned how to DJ during his pre-flight training and made time for the broadcast outside of his normal duties. He also took time to explain the goal of his mission and showed the audience of around 3,000 people what life was like on board the ISS. With this broadcast, Palermitano was able to spread awareness of the ESA to a young audience and hopefully inspire a future generation of astronauts, scientists, and explorers of the unknown.